Hello everyone, we're from Group 1. Today we will present a presentation about present continuous tense. Halo semuanya, kami dari kelompok 1. Hari ini kami akan mempresentasikan tentang present continuous tense.
What is present continuous tense? Definition of present continuous tense is a form of tense used to express an action is taking place of a certain time at the present time. When using verb, we use the present continuous tense to show 1. An action happening right now, 2. An action that is happening regularly but isn't finished. It is a longer action that is in progress. 3. An action that is happening in a period of time around now, and an action that will probably take place in the near future. The definition. Apa itu present continuous tense? Definisi dari present continuous tense adalah bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menyatakan sesuatu tindakan sedang berlangsung pada waktu tertentu, pada waktu sekarang. Saat digunakan kata kerja, kami menggunakan present continuous tense untuk menunjukkan satu tindakan yang terjadi sekarang, dua tindakan yang terjadi secara teratur tetapi belum selesai. Ini adalah tindakan yang lebih lama yang sedang berlangsung. 3. Suatu tindakan yang terjadi dalam periode waktu sekitar sekarang. Ini adalah tindakan yang akan terjadi dalam waktu dekat.
Learning objective. The function of present continuous tense in English grammar is to describe events when they are happening or may happen. You can use it to describe events that are happening in the present moment or something that may or will happen later. The present continuous tense can be used to tell an event or activity that was carried out within a certain time and is still ongoing today. An example of a sentence in this function is: the man is writing his novel this month. The present continuous tense is formed with the subject plus the present participle form ing of the main verb and the present continuous tense of the verb to be and is are. One simple example of this tense is he is swimming. He is the subject, is the present tense of the verb to be, and swimming is the present participle verb form. Example 1. I am singing at church today. 2. The boys are playing ball after school. Present continuous tense dibentuk dengan subjek ditambah bentuk partikel sekarang atau ing dari kata kerja utama, dan present continuous tense dari kata kerja menjadi am, is, are. Satu contoh sederhana dari kalimat ini adalah dia sedang berenang. He adalah subjeknya, is adalah bentuk sekarang dari kata kerja to be, dan swimming adalah bentuk kata kerja present participle. Contoh 1. Saya bernyanyi di gereja hari ini. 2. Anak laki-laki bermain bola setelah sekolah. Sekarang saya akan menjelaskan tentang rumusnya. 1. Positive. Subject plus am, are, is plus verb 1 plus ing plus complement. Example: I am reading a book. She is drawing a picture. They are playing football. 2. Negative. Subject plus MR is plus not plus verb 1 plus ing plus complement. Example, I'm not doing it. She is not coming. They are not sleeping. Interrogative. There are two kinds of questions, yes or no questions and WH questions, yes no questions. MR is plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus complement. Example, are you going to a new school? Is she wearing a hat? WH questions. WH questions plus MR is plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing. Example, what are you doing? Where is she going? 1. Positif. Subjek tambah MR is tambah verb 1 tambah ing tambah komplement. Contoh, saya membaca buku, dia menggambar, mereka bermain sepak bola. 2. Negatif. Subjek tambah MR is tambah not tambah verb 1 tambah ing tambah komplement. Contoh, saya tidak melakukannya, dia tidak datang, mereka tidak tidur. 3. Pertanyaan interrogatif. Ada dua macam pertanyaan, yaitu pertanyaan ya tidak dan pertanyaan WH. 1. Pertanyaan ya tidak. MR is tambah subjek tambah verb 1 tambah ing tambah komplement. Contoh, apakah kamu akan masuk sekolah baru? Apakah dia memakai topi? 2. Dengan pertanyaan WH. Pertanyaan WH tambah MR is tambah subjek tambah verb 1 tambah ing. Contoh, apa yang kamu lakukan? Kemana dia pergi?
Example of present continuous tense. 1. Following are basic example of the present continuous tense. The verb tense in each sentence is underlined. For example, 1. She is crying. 2. She is walking to his friend. 3. The baby is sleeping in his crib. 4. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. 2. Present continuous tense can be used to express something happening right now or to express something happening not happening right now. For example, 1. He is not standing. 2. Anthony is sitting in the chair. 3. You are not watching the movie. 4. Rose is reading a book. Present continuous tense also can be used to show that something will or will not happen near future. For example, she is not going to the game tonight. 2. He is meeting his friend after school. 3. Are you visiting my cousin this weekend? 4. I am going to the meeting after work. 5. Mr. John playing football today. Contoh dari present continuous tense. 1. Berikut adalah contoh dasar dari present continuous tense. Bentuk kata kerja di setiap kalimat digaris bawahi. Contohnya 1. Dia menangis. 2. Dia sedang berbicara dengan temannya. 3. Bayi sedang tidur di boxnya. 4. Kami mengunjungi museum pada sore hari. 2. Present continuous tense dapat digunakan untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu yang sedang terjadi saat ini atau untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu yang tidak sedang terjadi saat ini. Contohnya, dia tidak berdiri. 2. Anthony sedang berduduk di kursi. 3. Anda tidak sedang nonton film. 4. Rose sedang membaca buku. 3. Present continuous tense juga dapat digunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu akan terjadi atau tidak akan terjadi dalam waktu dekat. Contohnya 1. Dia tidak akan pergi ke pertandingan malam ini. 2. Dia bertemu teman-temannya setelah sekolah. 3. Anda mengunjungi sepupu Anda hari akhir pekan ini. 4. Saya tidak akan pergi ke pertemuan setelah bekerja. 5. Apakah John bermain sepak bola hari ini?
4. Present continuous tense can we use for actions that are still happening at the time of speaking. Example 1. Mark is making pizza now. 2. They are eating lunch right now. 3. Franz is talking on the phone at the moment. 5. Present continuous tense can we use in question as well. Example 1. Is she laughing? 2. Are they listening to the teacher? 3. Is the baby drinking his bottle? And 4. Are you going? Dan ini adalah 10 soal yang kita bikin sendiri. Terima kasih sudah menonton presentasi kami. Semoga video ini bisa bermanfaat untuk kalian dan terima kasih.